Gold resumed a decline, trimming a 12th quarterly advance as European policy makers made progress in tackling Greece's sovereign debt crisis, curbing investor demand for the haven. Immediate delivery gold dropped as much as 0.7% to $1,639.13 an ounce and traded at $1,641.75 at 5:59 a.m. in Singapore. December delivery bullion also decreased for the fifth day in 6, shedding as much as 0.7% to $1,641.10 an ounce in New York before trading at $1,641.80. Greek Prime Minister George Papandreou won support in Parliament yesterday on a new property tax to meet austerity targets needed for the next aid payment. German Chancellor Angela Merkel said her nation would help Greece meet the terms of its bailout, sending global stocks and commodities higher. When some good news comes out, some people sell their gold, but investors are still looking to diversify their risk, and there will be buyers at the lower levels, said Dick Poon, precious metals trading manager at Heraeus Ltd. Physical demand in Asia has been very strong. Gold rallied 16% this year as investors sought to diversify away from declining equities and depreciating currencies. The precious metal, which reached an all-time high of $1,921.15 on September the 6th, had risen 9.4% this quarter. And now joining us in ASEAN Business Report is Kun TIPA Nawawatanasap, the CEO of YLG Bullion and Futures Co. Limited. Good afternoon, Kun TIPA.
สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีค่ะ
Kun TIPA, gold has plunged during this past few days after going up to $1,900 per ounce, and now it's down below $1,600. And can you tell us the investment shift? What's the situation behind this?
For this week, the range of gold price is around 1,500 US dollar per troy ounce. This is the support level. For the resistance level is at 1,700 US dollar per troy ounce. And the reason that there's a shift of coming down of gold price is because of the disappointment of the investor. For they expect to have the QE3 or quantitative easing 3, but then it turned out to be the twist in operation twist instead. So there's some fears of the investor, and also like for this couple of weeks, investors feel that gold is no longer considered as a safe haven for short terms. They consider it as a risky asset. So after the announcement of Operation Twist, there is a sell out in equities. As you can see that the price of equities drop a lot, and also the price in oil and also the price in gold. So right now, most of the investors, they hold in cash instead. So that's why there is some drop in gold price, and it dropped a lot yesterday on Monday.
Okay, is the gold still priced at $2,000 per ounce toward the year end, or have the numbers been adjusted?
The number is not adjusted yet. We still believe that for the short term there might be some drop further for gold price. However, in terms of fundamental factors, we still foresee the gold price still able to go to the 2,000 US dollar level because there's still some uncertainties in economies in US and Europe zone, and also uncertainties in Middle East. So these three factors still the three main factors that support the gold price in the long term as a safe haven asset. However, in the short term there is some sell-off.
And Europe seems to have slightly good news about recovery right now. Do you think that the prospect of a euro crisis is real? And if they do you think the gold price will rebound if they cannot contain it?
I think for the Europe news, this is just for a short-term news that make the euro the euros strong or strengthened. However, in terms of the factor, if we still have a look at the long-term factors like the debt crisis, which is a huge amount of debt in Europe zone. So these we still believe that in long term, Europe still need a lot of time or sometimes to adjust for that problem. So for that, it will support the long term of gold to going up again.
Okay, and how active are the trading sessions currently? What strategies or figures can you share with us?
Right now, this volume in the market is very active in both physical market and also future markets, as there's a lot of drops in gold price, and there's a strong demand in physical all over the world, not only in Thailand. However, for the strategy right now for the investor, we still recommend them to buy on dips. However, this might not be a good time for medium-term and long-term investment, but for short-term investment, they need to invest very quick also, as to need to be very active or react quickly with the news that we're coming up, because there is a big swing in gold price. Each day we can see around 100 to 120 US dollar per troy ounce.
Thank you for keeping us updated today, Kun Tipa.
Thank you.
Thank you สวัสดีครับ